All right, so we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna do a little tour of our main garden area and talk to you a little bit about why we planted the stuff we planted and how it's doing. So our neighbors have their hay all baled up. Here's the garden. Let's see what we got. So our first stuff here is our garlic. And our garlic is ready to pull. It's a little early, but you could see that the ends are toasty. So let's see what they look like. We cut off all the scapes. Now they're just like this. Alright, so I think we'll be pulling them up before we take off anywhere for a long period of time. Our next survivors are the eggplant, which you can see got pretty devastated by, what was it, flea beetles and, oh, they're still on there. And come on, can't focus. It's a little black thing. It looks like a flea and a beetle, and it sucks. This is, I don't have flowers. So something's gonna come up. All right, let's look at this next guy. Ugh. This is the watermelon. It's got many arms. This is just one watermelon, and you can see all the little flowers in there. So we'll get something soon. I don't see any baby watermelons yet. All right, up next we got tomatoes. They're still kind of small and bushy, but they're doing well. And let's see, this is fun. This is my beautiful birdhouse gourds. And you can see we're gonna get a few. There's that guy. Let's see, where are they? There's a flower that's already, there's a little guy right there. Get him. Right there. What else? It's so fun. I'm like, there's a flower. Oh, okay, next, the Chinese cabbage. And these guys have perked up quite a bit since I watered them and did the bacteria and the fertilizer. So you can see this guy's perked up. And the reason I did this is because you cannot get Napa cabbage, Chinese cabbage at Kroger's. So grow your own, and I really want to make kimchi. Alright, and then this guy, these two guys are kabocha. You can see we got a little baby one coming in there. And another baby one. We got a big flower in here. There he is. Or she. And then, what's that? That's another kabocha. So we're gonna have kabocha squash. All right. So fun. Kabocha. All right, that's row one. Row number two. Okra. It's coming in. I don't know what's gonna happen with these guys. I feel like we're gonna get like teeny, oh, that poor thing. Teeny okra. But who knows? Let's see. Not focusing. There we go, teeny okra. Alright, next up, tomatoes. I think these are the purple Cherokees. They're doing pretty well. And we got some tomatoes. There's a tomato. That's what it looks like. Tomato. Tomato. Alright, next up, onions. There's an onion. They're not great. And then back to the garlico. Alright. Next up, raspberries and our beautiful sunflower, which is like 8 feet tall. The bees are already like super into it. And then these are the blackberries. There you go. That's how blackberries are made. See the flowers, see the little berry come on up. So, no time at all we'll have blackberries. And this variety is called Triple Crown, I think. It's a thornless variety. See? No thorns. Alright, those are blueberries. Bloobs. Bloopers. Blueberry Renos. Bloobtasticos, and oh, we ate all those. Ha! Alright, go back to these guys. We also have some volunteers. This little butte. And I'll do a slow pan. There's the grapes. Blueberries. This is our free pokeweed, which is edible, only slightly toxic. So you boil it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can make poke salad. There's some milkweed over there, and our mint, which we killed, but it popped up on the side. So there you go. Can't kill it. There it is, opening up. And our grapes. Here's what it looks like from the outside. Behind the scenes.